Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we are going to check out the December Allure Beauty Box. Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we are going to check and see what's inside the December Allure Beauty Box together. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is one of the many subscriptions that you can get for a monthly cost that will give you beauty items at a discount over retail. So I love doing bougie on a budget, so this is one that I like to get because you do get a mix of full size and some travel sizes in here. But for, I think it's $29, $29.95 a month. I'll put it in the corner, $29-ish a month for this box. You can get a really good value. So generally there's well over $100 in value in the box. We'll check and see what we got for our $29 in this month's box. I am starting to get a little heads up for a few months down the road. And in case you haven't yet subscribed and you want to before February, according to my Allure email, should be 5 full-size products. Generally, you're promised 3 full-size products and then 2 travel sizes, but 5 full-size products for February. So get in now if you want to check it out. There usually is a discount for your first box as well as maybe some free bonus items when you first subscribe. So check out the Allure link that I'll leave in the description below and see what is offered for you this month. But let's check and see what we got for December. I will say for the Allure box lately, we've been getting a pick item or a choice color every month. Generally, that's kind of a rarity, but I think maybe they're becoming more common with the Allure box. So inside, we get our obligatory papers. So we have our card that tells us what should be in our box. There's advertisements and things. And this one, let's see if we have a theme. This is just Happy Holidays and the Allure Beauty Box. So we're going to check and see what it says. And we do get pretty wrapping paper inside. There's not really packaging like as far as bubble wrap or anything. Well, I take it back. We got squiggles. So we got cute stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we got. The first thing on top is this very cute little teddy bear. And this says this is Manuka Honey Kissed Deep Hydration and Shine. And this is a shampoo and conditioner. Oh, it's a set. So in here, there's a shampoo and a conditioner tubie. There's 2 separate tubies in here. So that's neat. And it's Manuka honey. I actually have recently got Manuka honey at Costco just for the health benefits of it. And it's actually really yummy. You mix it in coffee or tea or whatever if you are kind of like just a warding off germs kind of thing, or if you're not feeling great and you need something, which was kind of my case with extra bad allergies recently. So let's check and see what we can find out about our honey. It didn't even tell us about our honey in here. Oh, here we go. We have one more page. So this says the Lucetta Manuka Honey Shampoo and Conditioner. Full sizes of each are 500 milliliters at $16, and we got a 1 ounce per item in this box. So we got a 1 ounce conditioner and a 1 ounce shampoo in our box. And the benefits of Manuka Honey shampoo is Manuka honey has been long loved for its sweet, earthy taste and ability to support immune system thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know it's pretty great for the hair too? Okay. Especially in this shampoo, the cleansing formula including nourishing argan oil and hydrating panthenol, along with the honey, smooths and softens strands as it washes them. Okay. All right. And it comes in such a cute little package. I love that for a travel size. That is adorable. Okay. So I'll be hanging on to that and using it some time. Next thing we got, I guess we're on a bee vibe. We got Bee Venom from Rhode Isle. This is a Bee Venom eye cream from Rhode Isle. And this one, it says it's a firming eye cream, revitalize and firm. And I already know this one has, because of the bee venom, if you are allergic to bee stings or you can't eat raw honey. My sister is highly allergic to bee stings. She can kind of eat raw honey now, but she cannot. If she gets stung by a bee, she'll end up in the hospital. So it says if you are allergic to bees, do not use this product. So we will actually not be keeping this one in the house because I don't want her to accidentally forget and use it. But it does say bee venom, right? Is that upside down? It does say bee venom right on the package, so it's kind of hard to miss. So I will probably be passing this one along, but Rhodial is a great product. And let's see, this is going to be a full size. So this is a $175 eye cream. Holy cannolis. Okay. So as the name implies, this tightening treatment is formulated with bee venom. Yes, seriously, tread lightly if you have an allergy. To help smooth crow's feet and under eye fine lines, while vitamin C helps fade the look of dark circles and also brightens. $175. I told you guys this box is value. For our little bit of $30, one of our products cost 4 times, 5 times that cost. So this is an excellent value for this box. So more to come, but wow. Okay, so next we have, this was our color choice product. We had a Dibs lip gloss, and I'm going to pull up my page. So we had a Dibs lip gloss. You could pick from these 4 colors. I picked the soft pink one. So this one is a full size, a $24 value. And I actually, the day that I got the email about this pick was in Ulta, and they had a big display of them. So I got to see what they look like before I picked mine. So this is a really pretty soft pink. I love the packaging. It's a nice fat tube, and it's a good size, and it is a glass container with the Dibs logo on there. So very cute. I would say this is probably a springy color, but depending on what you're wearing, it could be a winter color. If you're wearing winter pink, I did just get a pink velvet skirt from Temu. That's really cute. This would match it perfectly. There's more in here, you guys. Is this? Oh no, wait. This is not the last thing. Okay. This one made me laugh because it's the fanciest packaging for the cheapest thing Beauty makes, and it's a beauty blender. So this one, you could have gotten this one or I guess an eye patch, or what else would you have gotten? I thought there was 2 choices that you would have gotten for the sponge, but this says this is a $5 sponge. This is full size. To me, this is a throwaway item. I'm not even sure if it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. I do not use this tiny of a beauty blender, but if you do, it's got the pointy end. It's good for underneath your eyes. I just have other sponges that have pointy ends that I use for the tiny places. But you do have this the packaging, you guys, packaging is worth $5, I'm sure. But the little tiny sponge, I buy my sponges from Temu and the Dollar Tree in bulk for pennies. So $5 for one dinky little sponge. Sorry, Allure, but you can do better than this. There's more though. Let's see what else we got. I think this is the last thing. We got a palette, you guys. We got a Beauty for Certain eyeshadow palette. And this is the contour palette. So it's not just eyeshadow, it's contour. So this is going to be blush, probably. Not blush. Well, it could be blush. Probably what we have here is bronzers and highlighters. Okay, after I dropped it on the floor and it fell out of the box. We have our pretty, it's kind of a shifting, shiny logo on the top. And this is our inside. So to me, it definitely does show highlighter and bronzer colors. But these are little pans, you guys. These are little pans. So it would be hard to use for my contour brushes, my bronzer brushes and my highlighter brushes are kind of big and poofy. So you'd be kind of bleeding into the different ones to use this. But it is a really pretty palette and it is full size. And I will tell you the value for this one. It is a $39 palette. So this is 100% the full size. So we got well over $200 in value in this little box. So just for our $175 eye cream and our $40 palette and our $27, I think, lip gloss, plus our don't forget the $5 sponge. We got a $5 sponge. Anyway, it's a $5 sponge and $175 eye cream. They just really hit you on both ends of the spectrum. But this is a great box, again, to try if you are wanting to try different products. You get a mix of makeup and skincare, as you can see in this box, to try different things for a fraction of the cost. You too can be bougie on a budget. I apologize for not having done it yet, but I'm still gonna do my full face Dollar Tree and see if you can look cute for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. We'll find out. But for today, I do thank you so much for joining me and going through this Allure box with me. If you did enjoy it, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future videos. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.